Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to almost our last week of English 101. Hopefully you guys all had a lovely Thanksgiving, even if it was different this year than past years. I hope you guys got to enjoy some good food and good times with your family, and that you're all staying healthy and safe and well. We are in our last week of regular classes, guys, before finals week. How is that possible? That's insane. I feel like this quarter has just been so wonky. I can't tell if it went really fast or really slow. Kind of on the fence there. So I just want to go over some things that we're doing this week and talk about a due date that I moved to give us a little bit more time. Keep it a quick video because I know you got things to do. So today you are turning in your annotated bibliography. I'm very excited to see those. This is the first step to a successful research paper. So you need to have 3 sources, 2 of which need to be from the CBC library. In our modules tab, I have a sample annotated bibliography I highly recommend you follow, as well as a video that walks you through the annotated bibliography step by step. So take a look at that if you've not already completed your annotated bibliography. If you haven't finished it yet, it's due at midnight, so, get started. The CBC librarians are available to help you find sources as well, so reach out to them. They are around to help. I've got those links in the modules as well. And then this week is all about writing and revising your final essay, your Project 3 essay. And I have extended that due date. Originally, Project 3 was due on Friday. Because my feedback coming back to you was a little slower last week because I was sick. I am pushing that due date, giving you a little bit more time as that feedback comes into you. So Friday was when Project 3 final draft was due. It is now due Monday the 7th, the beginning of finals week. So that gives you a little bit more time, gives you that whole weekend to get that final draft knocked out. You can, of course, take your essays to the CBC Online Writing Center for extra credit. If you do that, just make sure to email me or message me through Canvas with the comments your feedback person gave you, and I will get extra credit points added in for you there as a final push to get to that grade, of course, you want by the end of the quarter. So we are moving that due date. The final cultural analysis project is due on the 7th. The other thing I want to mention real quickly, we do have a reflective letter assignment. I'll go over that next week. It's just a 1-page letter saying, hey, here's kind of what I learned. Is it what I expected to learn? Is it something new? We'll talk about it. So we'll talk about that next week. And then an exit essay. I will go into this in more detail next week as well, but you only have to take the exit essay if you did not pass the diagnostic essay. So remember at the very, very beginning of the quarter, I had you write an essay synthesizing 3 articles. All of them were about kind of true crime and why we're drawn to this sort of thing. Stephen King wrote one of the articles, kind of ring a bell, hopefully. I know it was a long time ago, guys. So if you got a score of 60% or higher on that diagnostic essay, you do not have to take the exit essay. If you did not pass the diagnostic essay, then you do have to take the exit essay. So if you got less than 30 points out of 50 points, you need to take the exit essay. I'm going to talk about this more next week, but I just want to give you that heads up as you're planning for your finals week. Those of you who scored 30 points or higher, which equates to 60% or higher on the diagnostic essay, you do not have to take the exit essay. Sweet. All right, so just to jump us back into our modules real quick, show you what we have. The annotated bibliography assignment's the only thing you're turning in this week. Turning that in this evening. The instructions are right here, and the modules has everything you need to be successful with this. So if we scroll on down to our Project 3, where is it? There we go, Project 3. Here's your annotated bibliography stuff. So if you need help with that, check it out. If you need help finding sources, we have our library and research support. Here's the link to chat with a librarian. Here's a great video on how to find sources. So lots of really helpful things for you. Hopefully you've already got the annotated bibliography done, but just in case you didn't, resources for you. All right, guys. That's all I have for you this week. We are rounding out our time together. I just want to encourage you, finish strong. It's so easy in these last 2 weeks to kind of peter out. We're low energy. The holidays are coming. We may be ill. People we know are ill. Coronavirus cases are rising, so our stress is rising. Like, there's so much going on right now. But I just want to encourage you, finish strong, guys. We are so close to being done. So hang in there. I admire your perseverance and your grit so far. You guys have done a tremendous job. So keep it up. Keep moving forward. If you have questions, reach out. I'm here to help. And I'll talk to y'all soon.